everyone, I'm just going to show you the Warrior Klip here. So this is used as an ear saver when you're wearing a mask all day, and I'm going to show you how to don and doff it and put on and take off the mask with the clip. So you're going to have the mask color side out, bendable side at the top, and you're going to want to clip on the ear piece of the mask to the clip. You're going to secure it behind your head, put the clip above your ponytail, seems to work best. Clip in the other side here, and as you can see, it's resting off of my ears. I can adjust the mask for proper fitting, and I could wear this all day. And now to take it off, you're going to hold the back here. So for donning and doffing, you don't want to touch the mask at all, you just want to reach from behind your head, unclip one side, and the whole thing can come off. And that way you can throw your mask out and clean this.